Hello students. So welcome to the YouTube channel of ODA Classes, and I say when the YouTube channel, we are also available on the Play Store as well. Okay, so when I talk about Play Store, the most innovative EdTech app is available on your Play Store. You just have to go and download it very quickly. Now, there are some amazing things which we are going to give you this. What are those? So we are providing you the amazing bridge course in it, right? You heard it correct. It's a bridge course. It's a complete 1 week course. It's starting from the upcoming week, Monday. So don't waste your time. You have to get yourself registered into this. Now, let me tell you what are the great features we are going to provide you in this. So it's a complete 1 week course. It's a complete 1 week course. And in this 1 week, you're going to enjoy some awesome classes with us, right? Because we are going to teach you 3 mathematics and 3 science sessions, right? And when I talk about 3 mathematics, it will be covering your Vedic maths and your Olympiad tricks as well. And when I talk about science, it will be covering your mind map sessions. You will be learning such amazing things with us. And there's a one more amazing thing, that's your personal teacher support. Now, when I talk about personal teacher support, who are those? They're the teachers who support you personally, who guide you, counsel you, and always emphasize on your personal study. So they are your mentor teachers, right? They are your mentor teachers. So all these teachers things you're getting in which course? In your bridge course. And there's one more thing which you're getting. There's homework also available, and test also available, and books are also available on the app itself. So you don't have to go anywhere else. You take the classes, you do the homework, give your test on the app, and check your books also. Your soft copy is available with us, right? So don't waste much time. Get yourself enrolled. So when you open a description box, there's a blue color link, right? Quickly click on that and complete the payment of just 49 rupees. Only 49 rupees. Otherwise, you'll miss the opportunity of discounted price, right? Completely, this course is for 500, but in my class, you're getting for 49 rupees. So quickly get yourself enrolled by clicking on this link. Now, let's start the class. Let me introduce myself quickly. So my name is Taruni. I've done my MSc Biotechnology and BEd, and for you all, I'm the master teacher for science subject. So I've taught many students in past years, and I've taught them how to understand a topic from basic and to build a basic building block. Right, and when it's all about basic things, you also know the facts also. So today's topic is that I'm going to tell you 5 facts about honeybees. They're the amazing 5 facts about honeybees. And if you already know 1 or 2 facts, so what you have to do, you have to tell me in the comments very quickly that you know this fact or not. Okay, so here comes your first fact. But I'm going to ask you the question as well in it. Okay, so what you have to do, kids, you have to tell me the answer over here itself, right? So where you will tell me in the comments box, you can tell me that which answer is that for that question. Okay, so your first question is on your screen right now. Why honeybees make noise? Wait, there's a buzz sound. There's a buzz sound. So why honeybees make noise? Can you tell me? Can you tell me in the comments very quickly? Right. And if you have answered me correct, let me tell you, make sound because it flap their wings 11,400 times in a minute. Only in a single minute, they flap their wings so many times. Oh my God. That's why they make so much of noise. So read the reason. It's 11,400 times they're flapping their wings in a minute itself. In a minute itself, they're doing it. Okay. So this is the first amazing fact which you all have studied. When I talk about the second amazing fact, so the second question is, honey consists of sugar only? Okay. How many of you have tasted sugar? Sorry, how many of you tasted honey? Tell me in the comments quickly. If you have tasted honey, you have to be very quick in telling me, right? So, is it only sugar? Is it only sugar secretion is there? Or something else is there? What is there? So, there is sugar plus water involved in it, right? There is 80% of sugar and 20% of water. So, when I talk about honey, it's not completely sugar. It's 80% of sugar and 20% of water. That makes the complete composition for the honey. Okay, so this is the second fact which you all have learned right now. And if you are already aware about it, then what you have to do, you have to tell me in the comments that, ma'am, I was knowing already this fact. Okay, so I'm going to ask you third question now. Now, the third question is, do male bees and female bees have different names? I think it's the same name. I could call a male honeybee and a female honeybee a female honeybee. No, there's a different names are given to them. Okay, so when I talk about male honeybee, they are the drones. They are the drones. What are they called? They are called drones. And when I talk about female honeybees, they are called worker bees. But there's a single exception in it. What it is? When I talk about the female honeybees, if there is a queen bee, there's a queen bee each and every hive, right? So they are called the queen bees. Otherwise, all the female bees are called worker bees. Are called worker bees. And when I talk about male bees, they are the called drones, right? So always remember, don't say it like this. They're male honeybees or they're female honeybees. No. Male honeybees are your drones and female honeybees are your worker bees, right? So remember this third fact. Now, coming to the fourth question, what's that? How much honey a bee can produce in a time, in a whole lifetime, right? So how much? Do you think it's so much? I think it's a bottle, full bottle will fill. No, that is absolutely wrong. So, a honeybee in a whole lifetime can only make 5 gram. Only a 5 gram honey a honeybee can make in the whole lifetime span. I'm not talking about a day, kids. I know you must be thinking it's not possible, but it is possible, right? It's a fact about honeybee that in a whole lifetime span, a honeybee can produce only a 5 gram, right? You can say about a teaspoon of honey a honeybee can produce, right? So this was the amazing thing you all can learn. So I'm going to ask you a fifth question very quickly. Now your fifth question is, can human eat anything that is produced by insect? No, I can never imagine that, right? Can you imagine it? If you can imagine, then tell me. I wanted to know because I can't imagine if insects are producing something and human are consuming it. No, it's always a reverse in order, right? So when I talk about this thing, there is one product, and what's that? So that product is honey. That product is honey, which is produced by insect, but that been eaten by a human. So this is one thing. There is only one thing which insects produce and humans consume. So this is your fifth fact which I'm telling you right now. That honeybee is the only insect that produces food that can be eaten by honey. So these are the five different facts which you haven't heard about before, right? So what you have to do, if you have learned it and you have enjoyed our session, then don't wait. Download the app very quickly from the Play Store, the most innovative tech app. By that, you can learn some amazing things and some amazing facts as well, right? And as I told you earlier, we are giving you bridge course. So right now, I'm the only teacher who's teaching you, but in a 1 week duration, you're going to get the two teachers. We're a dual teacher model. One is your mentor teacher and one is your master teacher. Think about it. You're going to get two teachers' attention, right? And when I talk about personal teacher, their teachers are always available to help you on your homework, which we are going to give you after each and every class to get your better understanding on topic. And when I talk about tests, so we teachers are going to evaluate you and tell you how much progress you have done in this entire bridge course. And when I talk about books, your soft copy are also available. So if you have any doubt in that, you can ask your mentor teacher and they can explain you completely. So you're getting double advantage over here. You can learn also and you can ask your doubts also, right? And this course enrollment is very easy. Open the description box very quickly. There's a blue color link. Click on that super quickly and complete your payment of 49 right now. Complete your payment and get yourself registered into it, right? Because already some students have joined with us and seats are remaining very less. So if you're wanting to join us, click on this link in the description and get yourself registered in just 49. Otherwise, you might get it for 500 as well. Now, there's a one more amazing system we have in ODA. What's that? That's the reward system, right? That's the reward system. Now, when I talk about reward system, can you imagine I'm going to reward you for studying? Right? You heard it correct. So I'm going to reward you for studying nicely and I'm going to reward you with ODA coins. Now, what will you use with the ODA coins? So we have a ODA mall with us and all these smart things are available like smart water bottles, smart band, smart soundbar, and smart mobile phone. So all these smart things are available for you. You just have to go and catch them with only and only ODA coins, nothing else. Okay, so what you have to do, kids? Get yourself registered and download the app and win the coins as well. Okay, so I'm going to reward you, but that's doing bridge course. So get yourself registered very quickly right now. And if you have learned these five facts and if you enjoyed these five facts, what you have to do? You have to like and share it very quickly and subscribe to our channel. Why? Because so that you can get more and more videos from us and you can learn many new things, right? And press the bell icon very quickly. And if you have learned with us, so I'm going to meet you in bridge course as well. So see you in